Sa inyo po, natutunan po namin kung paano po yung tamang pagdadasal, sir. Salamat din po, sir, dahil ambay niyo po sa amin. Yun lang po, sir. Salamat po. Sana po, sir, magpatuloy pa po yung pagkaitan niyo.
Thank you, sir!
Sir Al, thank you so much po sa lahat ng lessons na itinuro niyo sa aming 10 Benevolence. Thank you so much po sa pagpapaalala sa amin na may mabuti lagi sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. Thank you so much po dahil isa kayo sa mga naging daan upang mas mapalapit pa po kami sa Panginoon. Hinding-hindi po namin makakalimutan lahat ng life lessons na itinuro niyo sa amin. Keep safe po, Sir Al. Thank you po ulit. And God bless po.
To Sir Al, thank you for being a truly outstanding teacher. Your passion for teaching and your dedication to your student is obvious in everything you do. You feel so lucky to have been put into your class. I hope you know the priceless impact you are making in so many lives. Thank you for inspiring us to be our best and for being there to guide us when we needed help. Having you in our life has been opened our eyes to our own inner strength and has motivated us to become and do more. You have been an incredible teacher of lessons both inside and outside of the classroom. We could never thank you enough. We feel so truly lucky to have a teacher who shows all of the care, understanding, and patience that you do. Thank you for everything.
I'm a cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing. I know I'm changing into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for.